self-discipline and social commitment. With the rapid development of China's economy, the hard-facing industry is magnificently sailing towards a brand new phase. As the fourth goer of hard-facing in China, Beijing Xinxing Science and Technology Company Limited is leading to innovate in this rising field and keeping providing the best solution to wear resistance for users all the time. Our company actively participates in the economy constructing in China and makes great efforts on the power industry, building materials industry, chemical industry, petroleum industry, metallurgical industry, machinery industry, boiler industry, and shipbuilding industry. Beijing Xinxing Science and Technology Company Limited, founded in 2000, is one of the earliest companies engaged in hard-facing industry in China. Our company's management mechanism and R&D center is located in the Tsinghua University, which is the best university in China. And we have many production factories throughout the various provinces and cities of China. Now the number of our staffs is more than 350, and the annual output value is over 200 million RMB. Over 10 years development, Beijing ARC has established her role as a leader in the field of hard-facing, becoming the biggest and the most professional welding service supplier in China. Our capacity ranks in the world top level, and the businesses are involved in manufacturing the wear-resistant part by overlaying, manufacturing new composite grinding rollers, producing wear-resistant wire, manufacturing automatic welding equipment, and researching and manufacturing the special automatic welding machine. And we always lead the developing trend in the area of technology and concept in China. Over 10 years, hundreds of successful cases from Beijing ARC in hard-facing technology have changed most people's old concept that high chromium cast iron cannot be welded by overlaying. So more users in different industries began to recognize and accept this technology. Over 10 years, users from the vertical grinding mill fields have more understandings and have changed their concept about the hard-facing technology. From the roller overlaying welding to the grinding segment of welding, from the offline overlaying welding to online overlaying welding, from the welding of wear-resistant parts of medium-speed coal mill in a power plant to vertical grinding mill, clinker mill, slag mill in cement and metallurgy industry, from the sole type of mill to the welding of all types of domestic mills, from online overlaying welding of one coal grinding mill to the online welding for 6 coal grinding mills at the same time. The hard-facing technology and application are developed fully. All these technical progresses are attributed to the common efforts of Beijing ARC and her users of powder grinding equipment in China. Now, our company has R&D, production, and sales systems involved in wear-resistant welding service, welding materials, and automatic welding equipment. Now, we have 60 sets of offline welding equipment and 26 online welding engineering teams. And the online welding equipment can meet the needs of 80 sets of roller and segment of at the same time. We have over 20,000 square meters of workshop used to produce the welding wire and welding equipment. We can provide over 30 kinds of automatic welding equipment. The special welding equipment designed by our team took an important role, including narrow gap welding equipment, saddle welder, and small diameter straight and elbow pipe welding equipment. Meantime, we can provide over 20 kinds of anti-wear welding flux core wire. The output is about 3,000 tons. The performance of wire is outstanding, and the wear resistance performs well in power industry, cement industry, and metallurgical industry. In the future, we will increase the wire production line to 5 to 8 and extend to anti-corrosion wire and high-temperature resistant wire. The quality of special welding wire will reach the international advanced level. Besides, Beijing ARC is exploring the overseas market and presenting China's welding products and service to the world. We have adopted a series of effective methods to advance the technology, innovate the product, guarantee the quality, manage the inside of cooperation, and develop the enterprise. We possess the advanced quality testing equipment which guarantees the quality of products through accurate welding inspections. In recent 2 years, as the head unit, Beijing ARC participated in drafting and formulating the Beijing Materials Industry Standard, wear-resistant parts by overlaying for cement industry, general technical requirement. Besides, our company took part in the specification for wear-resistant parts of coal mill in coal-fired power plant and electric power industry specification for wear-resistant pipes. After years of production, we have developed a group of professionals from producing and engineering teams. The Expert Advisory Committee of Beijing ARC is proposing a new concept of full service in order to do the best to keep the leading position in this field. Mr. Liu Zhenying, the chairman of the board and the general manager, is a doctor in welding department graduated from Tsinghua University and a creating entrepreneur. It has been 30 years since he was engaged in the hard-facing field, and he is also a famous senior expert. In recent years, Dr. Liu has been actively promoting international communication and cooperation, and organized a series of activities for international welders competition. Beijing ARC's mission is to create values for users and create wealth for the society. Beijing ARC will persevere to forge ahead in hard-facing industry.